Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring back the journal junk box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the journal junk box, they did reach out to me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys another one of their boxes. Now, I got one back last, I want to say it was June or July of last year, 2021, and I absolutely loved it. I remember everything was purple. There was even like a little thing that had purple like thumbtacks and paper clips and little things like that that are in my drawer that I use quite often. There was purple pins and everything had like a purple theme. There was a little purple like pencil pouch that you can attach to any type of a journal, which was very unique. There was just some really unique things, and I really did enjoy that box. So when they got a hold of me, I was super excited because I actually loved that box. Now, they asked which box I wanted to review for you guys. I think one was like a Valentine's Day, and then they said they had a plant box. And if you guys have been following me, you know I am definitely digging my garden. And I just bought a journal for my garden because after I did my last update, half of it froze and all my new stuff is now dead. So I want to keep a log of things, especially like that. So when they said a plant, I was like, oh my gosh, if there's gonna be stickers or anything in here that is like plant themed, I'm gonna be loving it. Not only do I just love everything journaling, scrapbooking, that kind of thing, but I definitely think this would go with my journal. So I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get in. Let's see what is going to be inside. I like that there's like, you know, plant leaves on the outside bag to definitely go with that theme. So I'm super excited. So when you pull it out, here is their box inside. So this is what their box looks like, the journal junk box. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get inside and see what is all in this plant box. I'm so excited. Here we go. So that is what it looks like when you first open it. This was January's box. Keep going, keep growing. How cool. So there's that. And on the back of this, we'll go over the products, and it does give us pricing. And then this one is just one that says thank you, and that you can share and contact them with their social media pages. And their little thank you on here is all like plant themed. There's all little like plants and stuff that is down inside. That's so cute. Okay, so sneak peek to inside of the box. You don't get to really see much, but I'll move a little bit around for you to see a little. Okay, let's dive in. So the first thing that we saw right on top, let me remove this. It says that it's a lunch tote. How cute. You don't have to use this for lunch. You can really use it for anything. It's just a nice canvas bag. So it's not like insulated with a zipper to make it look like a lunch tote, but this can just be like any type of a tote, and it's super cute. I really love that design with the leaves and the plant leaves all over it. So again, this is what it looks like. It opens up kind of like nicely wide right there. And then there's the tag. This right here, I don't see this on the card, to be honest. One thing that I do see on the card though that I don't think is inside was where did you go? There, one says plants eco-friendly to go coffee cup by Slant Collections. That's what this is, Slant Collections lunch tote. The coffee cup was valued at $11.99, so I'm assuming maybe they ran out of the coffee cup, so they put in this lunch tote to replace it. Either way, I think this is super cute. Again, you can use this for anything, and I really like that. So I'm really glad that I got this instead of the coffee cup, to be honest. So there's item number 1. Now we have is, oh my goodness, that is a lot of stickers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this right here says House Plants Sticker Pack, valued for $9.95. And this is what I'm like really excited to use for my garden journal, is like all of these like little plants and stuff like that. Because it doesn't have to just be for my outdoor garden. It can be for any type of plants, you know. But I'm going to show you a few of these because there's tons. There's literally tons of these. I might have to just lay them all out and try to take like one still shot of everything so you can kind of see everything that it comes with. Oh my gosh, this one's super cute. So there's like cactuses. This one's sticking its tongue out at you. So you have cactuses, you have house plants, even like watering cans. So see, that definitely can go with anything. I'm just keep going here, you guys. I'm gonna end up showing you them all before I'm done. Okay, I'll stop. But wait, hold on. Look at this one, even has just a shovel. So it's not just plants. Okay, so I'll show you right here what all of them look like if you want to stop and, you know, check them all out. But oh my gosh, I love this set. I love this set. So $9.95 for all of those stickers. Now we have this, ooh, we have some thank you cards. This is really good to have. I mean, even just to send somebody a quick little things, you know, it doesn't have to be like they got you something so you're saying thank you. It could just be like a thank you for being you. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for always listening and caring. It could be any type of thing that you can send somebody a little note. So let's get this opened. It's probably all blank on the inside, but let's take a look. So there's 6 cards and 6 envelopes. The envelopes are like this really pretty green. And then here is the cards. There's the back. And then the inside is completely blank. You just write your own message. This here says Wild Wonderment Letterpress Note Cards by Elum Designs. Elum Designs. E-L-U-M. Right there. And this is valued at $12.50. Oh my gosh, this one is super cute. It's a notepad and it says the keep going, keep growing. It's a heartfelt notepad. It has this right here that you can keep it to hold everything down. And then you just open it up and you can jot down anything you would like. The bottom says live life in full bloom. How cute. Is that the same on all? Nope. Keep going, keep growing. Grit and grace. Begin each day with a grateful heart. So they all say different things on the bottom. Every moment is a fresh beginning. How cool. So you blessed, courage is beautiful, live life in bloom. So you have a few different things and then they end up repeating themselves, but that's really cool that they have a little inspirational thing on there for you, and you can write who your notepad goes to. And then again, you just fold this over to keep it nice and closed. And I really like those plant images on there. That's super cute. This one here says keep going, keep growing notepad, valued for $8. And that is just stinking adorable. So I love that. Now we have some washi tape. And of course, same theme. And it's in a little green pouch. See, that's one thing. All of the colors and everything go with the same theme for the month. And so it has their logo there. And then here, let me put it the right way. Here. Okay, so I took the plastic off so you can see the images a lot better. But that is super cute. So you have all these different little plants and you can use this for anything. I'm definitely going to use this in my journal and I can use it for anything afterwards as well. But I really like that. So this is the house plant washi tape, valued for $3. Then now we have, it says Bloom by Puka, P-U-K-K-A. And it looks like they're just different regular pencils, but they're all in different colors. And I don't see this on there either, so they must have just added this in there. It says Blossom even on the actual pencils down here as well. So you have them, and I like that they're already sharpened for you. A lot of times when we get little packs like this of different pencils, unless they're colored pencils, you normally have to sharpen them yourself. And sometimes if you don't have a sharpener or a knife, that might be a little frustrating. But I really like that these are already sharpened sharp for you. So they're already good to go. You're already good to go. Ready to go. But there are all of these pencils and it looks like there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It's a 12 pack. So you have those. Next we have is a pin and it's in a little plastic thing and it says Grow and Bloom. Okay, so this is going to be my journaling, my gardening journal pin. I'm going to attach this to it, but it's a clicky pin and it says Grow and Bloom. This says Grow and Bloom ballpoint pen, valued for $6.99. I really like that. And what color does it write? It writes in black. And it feels nice, and it feels like really good quality. It feels heavy. So I like that. And that is going to be my journaling pen for my garden. I'm so excited. Okay, so now, oh, how stinking cute. Let me remove the plastic for you. These are so cute. So you have these paper clips, but then they have a little plant charm on the bottom. How cute. So these right here say Succulents Paper Clip Set by Journal Junk Box, valued for $8.99. Those are so cute. And that would even be really neat to use, like if I wanted to, like, you know, kind of like dog ear a page or keep a marker. I can use these in my journal too. Ah, those are so cute. Like, those are so cute. Okay, so now we have it says Goddess Sugar Scrub. Ooh. See, and that's one thing I really like about this box. It's not just paper products. I think the last one they put in a bath bomb or like a sugar scrub or a shower steamer or something like that in that box. So I just think it's really neat, like the little bit of a different variety that you get with this box. And there always seems like high quality, higher end products, not like cheap, you know, things. So I do appreciate that. So this here, it says Bella Bear Goddess Sugar Scrub. A goddess needs to shine inside and out. Now you can with sugar on top. Oh, this is a free gift. It says Goddess Sugar Scrub by Bella and Bear, $4.99, and it says free gift. Enjoy. And let's see if it has like a scent. It says, jump into the shower, chant, I am a goddess, while rubbing me all over in circular motions. That is so cute. Do your chant. Let's see if I can smell this. It is completely sealed. I like a good sugar scrub to scrub it up on my body. And then it definitely makes your skin feel so nicely like rejuvenated and soft. If I can get it opened. I'm kind of picking up on a coconut scent. I'm not sure if that's even right. Sometimes with all this, because I'm still not right. Sometimes I'm smelling something that I'm really not smelling. I don't know. It's really weird. But what I'm kind of picking up is like a tropical type scent, like a coconut, a pina colada. That's what I think I'm kind of smelling, but I don't know. I want this to come back, but it's beyond my control, and I just patiently wait, impatiently wait, actually. But it doesn't say like a scent, but like I said, I'm smelling something tropical. Let's see if it says anything on the bottom. It just says a fragrance. So I'm not quite sure what fragrance that is. But again, I'm smelling something tropical. So hopefully I'm spelling correctly. But I can't wait to use that in the shower. And it looks like there's still one more item in here, you guys. Oh my gosh. How cute. Okay, so this is like another journal. So maybe I can just do two. Like leave one strictly for my garden. And then leave one for like if I do any type of house plants or succulents or anything like that. Or just use this as a normal journal. But I have the options. That is super cute though. I really like all of those images on there. This one here says that it's Houseplants Journal by Studio O. And it shows their logo right there. And this is valued for $15. So it's just all lined pages throughout the whole entire book. And that is really neat. Again, you can use this for anything, but I love, love, love this whole plant theme. So there is the journal. You have a body sugar scrub, washi tape, the cutest paper clips with the little dangle dangles. Love that. You have this little notebook as well. You have some pencils. You have a clicky pen, thank you note cards. You have a whole bunch of stickers, and then you would have got the mug, or you could have got this really cute lunch tote or any type of a tote. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that they chose? What do you think of this whole theme and how they put their box together for this month? Comment down below and let me know. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, and the link is down below that you can follow to purchase this box. You can use code SheCrafty for 15% off. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love to decorate your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals and be the best version of you? Then you'll love this box. Each month, our subscribers will receive a beautiful full-sized box packed with a surprise selection of 8 to 10 amazing items. So you can do just box to box. It's $44 per box. If you go to 6 months, you can bring that box down to $42.95. And if you go to a full prepaid yearly plan, then it's down to $39.95 per box, and shipping is in addition. And when I looked right now, they even have a mini box. It says a mini journal junk sack. So you get less items, but it is cheaper if you wanted to get like a mini version of it. And that one's $22.95. Again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out. And yeah, so that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.